In this video, I want to show you how to load your Epson 502 ink bottles in your Epson EcoTank printer, no matter which model you have, as long as they're compatible with the Epson 502. On each side of the printer, you're going to find this gap, okay? There is another one over here. All we have to do is to lift the top panel of this printer. Okay, lift it completely and it will stay in place. Then go ahead and open this small protector cap that is covering the ink bottles. If we take a closer look, it's very important to use the right ink bottle in the right ink tank. So over here we have black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Do not mix them up. Let's start with the black ink. So we're gonna open this blue cap simply by sewing it open like this. You're gonna unscrew the cap. And don't be afraid, by the way, this ink is not supposed to leak even if you tip the bottle, you see? All you have to do is to place the bottle upside down right over here. It doesn't matter if you do it like this or the other side. So let me demonstrate. And once it's in place, the ink will start flowing automatically. Do not squeeze the bottle, do not shake it either. As you see, it's currently going up. We simply have to wait until it reaches the maximum capacity and you don't hear any ink flowing out of the bottle. Alright, it has stopped. Now all you have to do is to take the bottle, and you don't have to be fast. Again, there won't be any ink spillage. Take the bottle out and simply put the cap back. There's still some ink left in the bottle, okay? Make sure it clicks in place as you just heard. There's still about this amount of ink. So keep it in a closet away from any sunlight and in a dry environment if possible. Obviously, if you're living in a tropical place, well, you won't have a choice, but yeah, keep it dry. Next, close the cap and open the next one. This is the cyan. Same thing over here. These colored bottles are smaller than the black ink, but there will still be a bit of ink left in them at the end. So I'll go ahead, unscrew the cap and place it right over here. As you see, nothing is dripping. Now, if you place the ink bottle and you don't hear any ink flowing and you don't see any ink going in the ink tank of the printer, what you can do is slightly wiggle it this way. It happened to me in the past, and by doing so, I was able to make the flow going. It's very rare, and it should not happen regularly. Okay, we are done. Same thing. Take the ink bottle out. Screw back the cap until it clicks. I don't know if you see, but there is this amount left. So you'll be able to refill it, usually in a few months, or depending how fast you're going to use this ink. Let me do the rest. So we have magenta. Again, it does not matter if you put your ink bottle this way or that way. It will work no matter how you put it. And finally, we have the yellow ink. And we are done. You can simply close back this lid first and then lower the top lid by pushing on it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.